What's the meaning of Bermondsey? Bermondsey. Bermondsey.
Bermondsey. Bermondsey. Bermondsey is a district located in southeast London, England. The name Bermondsey originates from the Old English words Bermondsey Island, which referred to a small island on the River Thames. It was once a hub for leather and tanning industries, and later became a bustling dockland area, playing a key role in London's maritime trade. Today, it is a mix of residential and commercial spaces, with trendy bars, restaurants, and markets. Bermondsey is also home to several historic landmarks, including the Bermondsey Square Antiques Market and the Tower Bridge, making it a popular tourist destination.